Hi Gemini, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell, Gemini. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for Gemini? Ano yung mga gabay for Gemini for the month of September? The Wheel. Okay. A sudden turn of events, no? A positive turn of events. Positibo na mga pagbabago. Fortune is on your side, okay? Kung dati parang hindi nagkakaroon ng resulta or walang improvement sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? Ngayon magkakaroon na, okay? A situation suddenly moves forward for you. Let's see. Ooh. Merong 8 of Cups. Okay. Ano pa yung mga additional na messages for Gemini, please? You are looking forward para sa future mo. You are making plans. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga gustong gawin. But for now, it's like nasa planning stage pa lang. Okay? There will be a desire for you to move on, no? You will be moving on. Parang merong spiritual growth or enlightenment sa sarili ninyo, okay? Yeah. Knight of Cups. And the 10 of Cups. Okay. There will be financial security and stability. Okay. Emotional fulfillment. Tingnan natin. Ano yung 8 of Cups? For Gemini. Okay. It's like you will have the courage to move forward in your life, Gemini. Okay. A desire for you na abutin kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, kung ano yung pangarap mo. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, it's time to turn away from an impossible situation and move on. You know you deserve better, okay? You are cutting losses, okay? King of Pentacles, yeah. Parang yung direction nyo naka-gear towards sa inyong kayamanan, okay? Sa inyong stability financially. Yeah, you will be focusing your energy or yung attention nyo about focusing your attention towards money. Okay? Your career or sa trabaho man to, opportunities na makapagbigay sa inyo ng abundance. Okay? And growth. Most especially if kung meron kayong negosyo or business. Yeah. The Star. Yeah, wow. There is success, no? Blessings na para sa inyo, Gemini. Yeah. Kung ituon ninyo ang inyong attention sa inyong goals, okay, you will be able to get it, no? You have a guiding star, no? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are healing in your situation. Kung meron kayong mga painful past or mga hindi magandang pinagdaanan, you will be able to heal, okay? Tingnan natin yung Two of Wands. Death. Wow. So, basically, merong ending in your situation, no? And there will be a transformation from darkness to lightness. Magkakaroon ng kaayusan ang inyong sitwasyon. That's why you are looking forward sa future mo. Okay? There is a pursuit of goals. Yeah. You are feeling brave to venture out also. Yeah. You want results, no? Kung ano man to, maybe sa business mo to or sa creative ventures or project or opportunities. Okay? You are looking forward to results, no? Good results ng inyong ginagawa. Yeah. May mga planning, may mga gagawin kayo to improve further your work or your finances or your career. The Death. Let's see. Ano itong the Death? Yeah. Five of Pentacles. Okay. You are cutting losses, no? So, merong transformation. Merong improvement. Okay. You will be planning something. Na makapagbigay sa inyo ng magandang resulta or effectiveness sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong pagtatapos ng paghihirap sa inyong sitwasyon. Gemini. Kung meron kayong naranasan na mga economic setbacks or mga problema sa finances ninyo, you will be able to overcome it. Okay? May mga plans kayo na gagawin. Okay? Para ma-overcome mo yun or mabigyan ng solusyon. Tingnan natin, the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Yan. Maybe someone will be expressing feelings to you, or maybe there is an invitation for collaboration. Okay? Sa work to or sa business mo. Yeah. They want to express, they want to collaborate with you. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, someone wants your kindness, no? And generosity at the same time. If you are dealing, kung meron kayong mga pinagdadaanan na paghihirap or mga challenges sa buhay nyo, deal it with kindness, no? And understanding. Yeah, someone wants to send you a message of love, or they will be expressing you their feelings. Yeah. They want your attention. Okay. Or they want to work with you. Yeah, Six of Cups. Okay. Maybe someone also is missing you. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there will be forgiving and healing of the situation. Yeah. Ten of Cups. Let's see. Ano tong Ten of Cups for Gemini? Again, 10 of Cups. It's a confirmation. Yeah. So, your emotional needs or material needs will be met. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng emotional fulfillment. No? Togetherness also with your loved ones or with your family. Yung iba sa inyo, there will be a reconciliation. No? And togetherness. So, happy times are remembered. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng opportunity that you will be able to understand yung mga past events, no? And you are making things okay sa inyong sitwasyon or sa family mo. Making things happier. Yeah, someone needs your time and attention. Yeah. Or this is you, Gemini. You will make time for your family, okay? Talk with them. Or maybe you will be going somewhere with your family. Bonding, family bonding, no? Or travel, okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, kaka-recover nyo lang sa mga nawala sa inyo, okay? Mga losses. Yeah. So, there is positive, no? Na events na mangyayari sa inyo in the month of September. Okay? Fortune is on your side. You will be favored. Most especially when it comes sa inyong finances or sa mga opportunities to earn. Yeah. So, magkakaroon na rin ng, kumbaga, movement. Kung meron kayong inaantay, siguro maybe a job offer or magandang chance or opportunity, no? Ito na rin yung time na yon, darating yun for the month of September. Okay? You will be receiving it. There is an ending of waiting. Okay? Yeah. Kumbaga, malaki yung chance na magkaroon ka ng big break, no? In the month of September. Kung dati parang stagnant, wala masyadong nangyayari sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong mga plans, now, meron ng movement or paggalaw, meron ng progress in your situation. Let's see. Additional message for Gemini. Lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Apple. Temptation will test you. Moon. Changes in your life. Okay. Yeah, positive change in your life. Merong kasaganahan, abundance, no? Wow. Pagkakaintindihan sa family or sa relationship. Cat, a two-faced friend. Yeah, be aware of that. For some of you, merong someone na hindi totoo or sincere sa inyo. Okay? Any more message? Spirit message for Gemini. You need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people. Okay? Additional message. Abundance mindset. If you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day away from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and that is what you will experience. Okay? So, abundance mindset. Kasaganahan, no? So, these are the messages for you. All the best, Gemini. Thank you and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!